Alright, so I am driving through a huge...
In 800 feet, continue straight onto Kentucky 9009 East, Burt T. Combs Mountain Parkway East.
Oh, God. I'm driving through the Mountain Parkway right now, and it is bad out here. Going 20.
Continue straight onto Kentucky 9009 East, Burt T. Combs Mountain Parkway East.
Luckily, I still have 3/4 tank, 3/4 tank here of gas.
Continue for 4 miles.
And it is so bad out here, very slick. There have been trucks or even SUVs that have passed me. And God knows, I do not know how they are driving even 5 miles more than the speed limit that I'm driving. I don't know what they're doing. God bless them. Maybe they just know how to drive in the snow, but I'm here to tell you that I hate Kentucky roads. Hate them. They're terrible. There were several times where I was actually, the two roads of oncoming traffic like came together and I was going into oncoming traffic. And so yeah, this is really bad. I've never driven in this treacherous weather before. So I'm hanging in there, but this is scary. But see, like this, I think this is a snow truck. Yeah, snow truck, and then behind him are 2 cars. They seem to be going pretty slow, which is the way it needs to be because there's no way. And the scariest part about it is downhill. Like, even the Subaru has shown signs of a little bit of sliding. So I've been very, very slow and careful. And I've had to pull over to let people pass me. And that's scary too because I can't see where, like, how far to pull over and stuff in the mountains, so it scares me. I don't want to get hit by somebody else. So I guess I'm just the buffalo right now. Anyway, all right, that's it. Here we go. Back into darkness.